The Salvation Army does many things. It serves people that are homeless. It serves people that are coming away from a violent situation. It serves all kinds of people, seniors, youth, etc. And I love working with the Salvation Army. My name is William Shaw. I am a volunteer with the Salvation Army. Well, I volunteer in many different respects for the Salvation Army. I drive seniors every Wednesday, pick them up and return them for bingo. We do a Christmas tree, which you take applications from people and then you get gifts prepared, you get packages. It's literally months of work to get things going. So I participate in that, coach for kids, you name it, there's lots of different things to do.
Bill is always there to volunteer. It doesn't matter what we need. It doesn't matter if he's inside or outside, if he's hauling things or helping people. He's always there. He helps with every program that we put in front of him. My name is Sam Hyde, and I'm the Director of Community Relations for the Salvation Army in Indiana. And Bill Shaw is an amazing volunteer right here in Indianapolis and all across central Indiana, really.
I'm a participant in the emergency disaster group and was sent down to Florida for Hurricane Michael and spent a couple weeks there feeding first responders and people who were affected by the hurricane. And it was long days, but it was very, very rewarding.
If we say, hey Bill, we need help fitting these kids with new shoes for school, he puts an apron on and he's there. If we say, hey, we need to get these toys out to our Angel Tree participants and make sure that they have them in time for Christmas, he puts an apron on, he puts a stocking cap on his head, and he bears the cold. He takes those bags outside and makes sure that the parents have the gifts. He is always willing to help out, and he's back week after week after week, making sure that the Salvation Army can have its programs.
Well, my vehicle gets me here and gets me all around. Like I say, I do a number of different things, and they're in different locations. It could be out at the warehouse, or here. I use the Salvation Army vehicle, but I live up in the northeast corner of this county, and it's about 20 miles to get here. So if I didn't have my vehicle, I wouldn't be able to do the kinds of things I do.